Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be revealing newest glitch in Block Blast that players are using to boost their scores like never before. So without any further ado, let's dive in. Your main goal is to clear full rows or columns, not just fit blocks. Each cleared line on points and creates more space on the board. So avoid random placements, always think about how a block can help complete a line. Larger blocks like 3 times 3 squares or long pieces are more challenging to place. Leave open areas on your board to accommodate them. Avoid cluttering the board with small pieces, especially near the center. Clearing lines in the middle of the board gives you more options for future block placements. Don't let the sides get too cluttered. Keep them clear for longer blocks. Avoid placing blocks just to get a quick fit. This can limit your options down the line. Always try to keep as much space on the board as possible. Placing blocks too tightly can leave you with no room for essential pieces later. Rushing leads to mistakes. Take your time to analyze your options and make calculated moves. The more you play, the better you will get at recognizing shapes and patterns. Over time, you will instinctively know where each block fits best. Just watch out for common combinations that allow you to maximize line clearing. Quickly placing a block while a power up is clearing lines can amplify points. Using these tricks, you can score high in Block Blast. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have got any issues, you can comment down below.